It's that time again. It is Nordstrom sale time. I really like the Nordstrom sale because it's a really good opportunity to get crowd-pleasing products at a discount. You will likely find something that really appeals to you, and also it's a great opportunity to get in early on some gifting because these are very giftable products because they are kind of the best sellers from a lot of these brands. It's also a really good time to shop because the sale is ending really soon, and at the end of the sale, which is where we are right now, it's open to everyone. So I am partnering with Nordstrom today to share with y'all my picks for makeup, fragrance, probably some other odds and ends as well, because I just personally love shopping this sale, and y'all know I love the thrill of the hunt, so let's go ahead and jump in. So when you go on the website, you're gonna see anniversary sale highlighted in that very recognizable yellow with the black text. You go in there and you sort for anything or filter for anything that you would be shopping for. We're gonna start, like I said, with makeup. Woo! Okay, we have a fantastic set if you are into Charlotte Tilbury, okay? I have always tried to be cynical about Charlotte Tilbury, but she proves me wrong every single time. And this kit does include a full size of the Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand, which I think is a perfect product. Everybody also loves the Glowgasm Beauty Wand highlighter, and that is what is in here in Pinkgasm, and then the Glow Glides Hollywood highlighter in Pillow Talk. Again, three just absolute crowd-pleasing favorites. That is a savings of almost $50 on the set. So a lot of times you find that when Charlotte Tilbury puts things on sale or like on her website, it'll be a bundle and you're like, that's not a discount, that's just math, you know? And like, it's a rare opportunity to actually get a pretty significant discount on Charlotte Tilbury products. All right, next, y'all, the Tom Ford Luxe Gloss. These are like 80 bucks a piece. I don't know, that might be an exaggeration. I think they're like 70 bucks a piece. And they have two for $90 here. And again, they're gonna be always in their like most popular shades. I have two of these. They're a beautiful liquid lip balm formula. I believe they kind of smell like vanilla. Yeah, they're really, really nice. Of all the Tom Ford products that I have tried, that's one of my favorites, and that's why I have bought two with my own money. So like I said, it'd be like 140 bucks for two of them. They say it's $118 value. I think it's even more than that, again, because I have bought these at full price. They're more expensive than that, and it is $90 on sale for the duo. There's also a Pillow Talk lip kit from Charlotte Tilbury. This is gonna have the Airbrush Flawless Matte Liquid Lipstick, the Lip Cheat Lip Liner, and the Matte Revolution Lipstick, all in Pillow Talk. Again, just like the most popular products out there. We also have an iconic blush duo from NARS. Y'all know I cannot stop buying these new reformulated NARS blushes that are talc free now, and I've just kind of renewed my love for them. And this is Orgasm and Deep Throat, I wanna say? Yes, Orgasm and Deep Throat, two very universally flattering pink tones. Deep Throat is going to be more of like a rosy one that doesn't have quite as much shimmer to it, and Orgasm, everybody knows Orgasm is that pink with a gold shift on it. It's really great to like split with a friend as well. And that is a $68 value for $40. That's actually great. That's great. All right, something I'm wearing on my eyes right now are the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream eyeshadow sticks. I cannot say enough about these things. The formula is so gorgeous. And I always complain that a lot of times when you have an eyeshadow stick, if you have a shimmer shade in it, it doesn't really shimmer. I feel like these do the best job that I've found. You know, the shimmer actually shows up on the skin. I am a huge fan of an eyeshadow stick. I did not used to be, and then when I figured out that like you take a synthetic brush that's kind of paintbrush shaped like this, so it's fluffy but flat, it's going to blend that like a dream, and it's going to wear all day. The Bobbi Brown ones are pretty pricey, and so getting them in a set like this is a really good idea. That's actually how I got mine. So this is three shades. We have Moonstone, Shell, and Smoky Topaz. Whoa, a $102 value for $54, almost half off. They also have a Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Trio. I do love that formula as well. Honestly, it really just comes down to which colors appeal to you, because I feel like they both have just such incredibly reliable formulas. I really do stand up for both of those formulas. They're classics. They've been around forever. They're like the originals. And that is a $99 value for $60. So the Bobbi Brown ones are actually like a better value. All right, if you're a Tom Ford quad person, there is a really great set here. $75 for a Tom Ford quad and two lipsticks. They call that $129 value. I think that that's even better, actually. I don't think that the lipsticks are full size, but those eyeshadow quads go for like $90 in and of themselves, so $75 for the whole thing is wild. That's fantastic. They also have a set of the Extra Plump Hydrating Lip Serum Duos from Bobbi Brown. I have this in the shade like this soft lilac color. This is just the clear shade. It's kind of a super soft pink. The thing that is so special about this formula is that it's really nourishing, but it's it's also plumping with no sensation, which is very uncommon. So there's no spice, there's no mint, there's no nothing, but it's really, really beautiful and actually plumping. I love this stuff. And it's quite expensive. It's like $40 a tube, and this set is 2 for $45. So I think that that's great. There's also the Armani Beauty Prismaglass lip gloss. I'm wearing one of these right now, and it is a $76 value for $50. I really do love this stuff. This is also a plumping formula, but I don't think that it has a really strong sensation either. So it's super beautiful, and there's no scent. We love that. You can also get, we're kind of moving into skincare here. You can get 2 of the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Rich Face Base Moisturizer Primer things. It is a $138 value for $74, which is almost half off. Almost half off. Everybody freaking loves that stuff because it's great. It's a really great primer. It's a really great moisturizer. And there's a reason that it's like, again, like a crowd pleasing favorite that's been around forever. I actually really am excited about this one. So this is the Westman Atelier Skin Activator Serum Duo Set. So it's a $275 value, and they're gonna knock like 70 bucks off of that. It's $206. I actually just bought this for myself, and I was expecting to be pretty whelmed, you know, but like it's great. It adds the most beautiful finish to the skin. It's actually very, very helpful for like making your makeup go on all glowy and gorgeous without it being slippy and oily. You know, it's not greasy at all, but it has this really lovely kind of nourishing layer, and then it also has like a nice hydrated layer on top. It's really, really beautiful stuff. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is for a full size and a refill for $206, which is a great deal. Oh, I invested in this the last time because it was such a good deal. So this is the Kiehl's Creme de Corps Body Moisturizer, and it's the refill bag because I love that stuff. It's fantastic. It doesn't have a fragrance to it or anything like that. My skin just doesn't complain. And it is a $93 to $99 value, and they're gonna knock basically 30 bucks off of that, $60 to $64 depending on the size that you get, but I use that so much. I use it so much. So it's a really, again, that's what the sale is for. I feel like is like the things you already know and love and like crowd pleasing favorites is to go ahead and stock up on something like that. That makes a lot of sense. Like if you're a Necessaire person, the Body Wash Duo, typically $50 is $32. Osea, y'all know how I feel about Osea. I'm a huge fan. So the anti-aging body balm, which I absolutely burned through when I was pregnant, $78 for 2 of them. That is a $108 value. I've got 2 things here from Sunday Riley that I absolutely love. The CEO 15% vitamin C brightening serum is typically $284 for the jumbo, and it's $185. And then the same thing goes for the jumbo Good Genes. I know some of y'all just like went add to cart, you know, because Good Genes is something that everyone swears by, but that vitamin C is also incredible. Y'all, I made sure to use the Chantecaille Pangolin on my eyes today just because I saw it on the sale section of the website, and since beginning to film this video, they sold out of it. So that is the nature of this sale. Like everybody is on site right now. So if you want something, snatch it up because literally like they're disappearing. Everything's dropping like flies. All right, let's look at some fragrance here. This section excites me a lot. We have Diptyque. Diptyque on sale. I mean, you almost never hear those words. Eau de Rose, Eau de Parfum, and a hair mist set that is typically $170 value for $119. They have a Le Labo Discovery set that is typically $99, although I don't think so. I think that it's actually typically more than that. On sale for $67, that's another $13. Lavande and Santal 33, which everybody loves so much. Nest Grapefruit and Bamboo. Grapefruit and Bamboo Reed Diffuser is $83 for 2 of them, typically $124. Those are some of the most beautiful to look at reed diffusers I've ever seen. Like they're so decorative and gorgeous. Oh, and this is huge. I even brought it in here just because it's so important to me, y'all. Valentino Born in Roma Donna Green Extravaganza Eau de Parfum gift set, $172 for a $257 value. I cannot express to you how much I love this fragrance. I bought this myself. I bought the travel size and then I bought the full size, and I can't say enough about it, and I would absolutely do this if I didn't already have it. It's like fruity and vanilla, and it's just, it's absolutely incredible. So yeah, this one's on sale. It would typically be $257, it's $172 for the duo. Oh, we have Apotheke too. So this is charcoal. You can tell I love her. Charcoal smells like, I don't know, like burning evergreen. It's so delightful. So the Charcoal Rouge Scented Candle Duo typically would be $88, and you're gonna get it for $58. Ugh. It's so good. It's so good. Oh, and also Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium. Black Opium, y'all. It's like coffee meets vanilla. It's so good. I love the Black Opium whole fragrance collection, but this one has Black Opium fragrance and mascara, you know, just for giggles. And it is $147 value for $103. I'm telling you, Black Opium is just, it's an experience. It's delicious. Real quick, we'll talk about hair products. T3 Switch Kit Classic Trios, typically $300. You're gonna get it for $200. That's pretty impressive. Oh my God, Beauty Bio. Woo! I love that thing. I love that thing. Okay, the Head to Toe Afterglow Glow Pro set, $317 value for $159. I'm pretty sure that you pay $159 just for the little guy, and I have that one and I love it, but this is for like a full set of, you know, the different heads and everything. Oribe, Moroccan Oil's on sale, Olaplex is on sale, Kiehl's, and that's not even getting into all the fashion picks and everything. I'm going to make a whole shoppable page for y'all that will include those things. I just wanted to go through the beauty with y'all on camera today, but I wanted to thank Nordstrom for sponsoring today's video so that I could share all these things with y'all, and let me know what y'all are picking up at the sale or what you already have. I know that there are a lot of people in the comments who are really, really excited about the Nordstrom sale every year, so definitely tell me what y'all are excited about. I hope this was fun. If it was, please do give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I do like to do the occasional gift guide or shopping guide here and there just because I do enjoy the thrill of the hunt more than many people do, and this is a vast website, so it is nice to kind of have a guide, if you will. But yeah, if you're into that kind of thing, color theory and ruthless beauty reviews, then subscribe while you're here. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you to Nordstrom. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.